Good morning, dear cadets. So, yesterday I have completed one natural indicator, that is litmus. Today I am teaching you another natural indicator, that is called turmeric. Okay, everybody is aware about the turmeric. Okay, almost in daily food we are using turmeric. Turmeric is used in pulses, means dal. Turmeric is used in vegetables, and turmeric is a very good medicine also. Okay, and it is used as a natural indicator. So just try to understand here. Turmeric solution, if you prepare, so its original color is yellow. Okay, you might have seen while eating, if pulses or vegetable falls on our cloth, so that particular place of cloth become yellow. Am I correct or not? Not only this one, if by mistake turmeric powder or turmeric paste or turmeric solution is applied on our hand, that portion also become yellow, isn't it? And turmeric is a very pious. Okay, just see, whenever marriage anniversary or what to say, wedding ceremony is there, so haldi rasam is there or not, isn't it or not? Do you know why it has been used as a rasam? Because turmeric has got a lot of property, antiseptic property. Okay, antiseptic, do you know or not? It is used as a antiseptic, it is used as a painkiller also. Okay, so because of its medicinal value, since ancient days our forefathers are using turmeric as a medicine, and because of these property, whenever any what to say ceremony is there, or any what to say function is there, so turmeric is being used. Okay, or turmeric was being used. Okay, so there it has got so many medicinal property, that is why it was being used. Now here we are going to teach you turmeric as a natural indicator. So what is the property of indicator? Indicators are the substance which are used to distinguish between acids and bases. So just see litmus. Litmus original color is purple. When it is added to the acidic solution, it turns red. When it is added to the basic solution, it turns blue. Okay, am I correct or not? Okay, so now it is producing different color with the acids and bases. Am I correct or not? Litmus. Same way, this turmeric solution is also producing different color in acidic and basic medium. So turmeric solution original color is yellow. What is this one? Turmeric solution original color is yellow. Am I correct or not? When basic solution is added to it, it turns red. Now try to understand. You might have seen, suppose you are wearing the white color shirt. If by mistake vegetables, cooked vegetables or pulses falls on your elbow region or wrist region on your shirt, and when you apply the soap, so that particular portion become red. Am I correct or not? You can very easily do the experiment. Whatever I am telling, whatever I am saying, you can verify it. So do you know soap solution is basic in nature. So when you are applying soap on that portion, so this yellow stains become red. Okay. So what we can say, when basic solution is added to it turns red, means in basic medium turmeric solution produces red color. When acidic solution is added to it, it remains yellow only. Means in basic medium, in acidic medium, it does not change its color. Okay. Now there is one more application of turmeric. Just see, make the turmeric paste. Okay, apply on this one to the filter paper or what to say, blotting paper. You apply this one. Now make paste, apply that one on blotting paper or filter paper, dry it, cut into pieces, or without cutting into pieces, just make the solution of soap. Okay, and with the help of small brush you can make design, and that design can be used as a invitation card, or you can use for ornamenting or designing any particular room or any objects. Okay, so these are the variety of application of turmeric. Okay, now try to understand, there is one more indicator, natural indicator, that is called China rose. China rose petals. Okay, China rose flower you might have seen in Sainik School campus. Of course, due to pandemic, you people have not visited the Sainik School campus. In Sainik School campus, a lot of China rose flowers are lying down. A lot of China rose plants are there, and there are so many flowers. So actually their flower color is pink. What is that one? Pink. And Hindi name for China rose plant is Gudhal. Okay. So now I am going to teach you another one indicator, that is China rose. What is this one? China rose petals. What is this one? China rose petals. Okay, this is also used as indicator. What is this one? It is also used as indicator. Am I correct or not? So now try to understand here. There are some points which must be written. The question arises here, how China rose petals can be used as indicator. So there are some process you have to follow. What is that process? Just you collect the 3, 4, 5 China rose flowers, okay, along with the petals, and now put them in the water and warm them. After warming 5 to 10 minutes, just filter it. So whatever extract you are getting, that can be used as a indicator. Now that is China rose extract, and that is also called China rose indicator. Now try to understand, question arises here, how China rose extract or China rose indicator distinguish between acidic and basic solution. So just see, what is the original color of China rose extract? It is pink. What is this one? Pink color. Original color is pink. If it is added to the acidic solution, or acidic solution is added to it, then it turns dark pink. When basic solution is added to it, that changes into green, magenta. What is that one? Green color, you can say. What is that one? Green color. Okay. So let me write all those things what I explained, and afterwards I will complete it. Okay. Okay, so just see the preparation of China rose extract. Some China rose petals are mixed with or added with warm water. Heat the water till entire solution becomes colored. Till entire solution becomes colored. Okay. Till entire solution becomes colored. Okay. Now filter it filter it, and this filtrate can be used as indicator. Okay, indicator. So now you have got the methods to prepare the China rose indicator. Now question is, how does China rose extract distinguish between acids and bases? So just see. First point you should write here, the original color of, here only you write it can be used as an indicator. Here you just write its original color is pink. Original color is pink. What is this one? Pink. Okay. And now just see, how does China rose extract distinguish between acids and bases? So just see, the China, here you write, when acidic solution is added to, when acidic solution is added to China rose extract, when acidic solution is added to China rose extract, it turns dark pink, that is also called magenta. What is that one? Yes, magenta. Okay, in which medium it is magenta? In acidic medium. Next point you write, when basic solution is added to it, turns green. Okay, so now just see, it is producing different color in different medium. That is why, what is it? It is very good indicator. Moreover to this, very easily you can prepare it. Okay, there is no need to buy it, or no need to, what to say, put a lot of cost in their manufacturing. Okay, now just see, whatever solutions are there, suppose you have got lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, milk of magnesia, baking soda, lime water, sugar, common salt, whatever category of substance you have got, now by putting just 1 drop or 2 drop of those substances on this one, very easily you can find out their nature, whether they are acidic or basic in nature. In this way, all the 3 natural indicator I have completed. What are these 3 natural indicator? Litmus, turmeric, turmeric and China rose petals. Okay. Now let us move towards the synthetic indicators. But before that, I will make one chart. Okay. In that chart, I will show you how you should write as far as the distinction of acids and bases are concerned. Okay. So, okay, just see, dear cadets, how many types of indicator I taught you? 3 types. So, just see, I am taking the test solution in this column. This is serial number. This is test solution. This is effect on red litmus paper, effect on blue litmus paper, effect on turmeric solution, effect on China rose solution. Okay. So, just see, I am listing the test solution which I have taken. Okay. You can also perform at your home. Okay. Only the thing is, you have to take here the 2 paper strips of blue and red litmus paper, vinegar, okay, milk of magnesia, milk of magnesia, then baking soda. Okay. Next one is lime water. Next one is sugar. Okay. Now what is here? Common salt. Okay. These are the 8 test solution. And now just see, lemon juice. Actually, here I will directly write the result. But actually what I should do, I should perform one experiment and you should also perform the one experiment. So lemon juice easily available at home. Effect on red litmus paper. If 1 drop you will put on red litmus paper, so it will remain red only. What is this one? Remain red. Because lemon juice is acidic in nature, and you know under acidic solution, what is there? Litmus paper, red litmus paper remain red only. Effect on blue litmus paper. Blue change into red. Effect on turmeric solution. And now just see, turmeric is yellow color only. Okay. And now effect on China rose solution. And you know China rose solution in acidic medium turns into dark pink or magenta. Okay. So this is the story of lemon juice. Same thing for orange juice also you can do. Vinegar is also acidic. Same result you will get in both the cases. Same result. Okay. Both the cases. Now milk of magnesia. Now here things will change because it is basic substance. So milk of magnesia, what would be there? Red will change into blue. Okay. Red litmus paper changes into blue. If blue remain blue remain blue. And now here what is there? Effect on turmeric solution. This is basic. So yellow turmeric, yellow will change into red. And here what is there? Change into green. Now just see, I have summarized all the indicators here only with respect to test solutions. Okay. Now just see, same is the result with baking soda, same is the result with the lime water. And here just see, sugar and common salt, these are neutral solution. So neutral substances or neutral solutions are those solutions which neither change the color of blue or red or what to say, this one turmeric or China rose petals. So sugar here, what is there? Red litmus paper. Red remains red. Common salt also, what is there? Red remains red. Okay. And here what is there? This is in case of sugar. Here what is there? Effect on blue litmus paper. What is would be there? Blue remain blue. Blue remain blue. Here also what is there? Blue remain blue. Okay. And here what is there? Effect on turmeric solution. Just see. Yellow remain yellow. Okay. Here also yellow remain yellow. And here what is there? Effect on China rose solution. What would be there? China rose solution remains pink. Here also remains pink. So just see, these are neutral substances. What is this one? Neutral substances. Okay, that is why this is the result. Now in the same way, here what is there? Baking soda is the basic, so they will produce the same color as has been produced by the milk of magnesia. In this way you have got the entire list at one place only. Okay, so now try to understand here. All results are summarized here. So now I have completed this one. Now your all indicators are finished. Thank you very much. We'll give you the questions tomorrow. Thank you.